is for apple. Apple.
Apples grow on trees, and somebody's going to pick the apple. That's where you get your apples from. And you can make a pie, look.
He's making an apple pie.
That's right, or you can just eat it.
Yes, or you can just eat it.
Yummy. So, that's right.
Apple.
A is for apple.
A is for ambulance. Ambulance.
What is it? Ambulance. What was it?
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Yeah, it was an ambulance going to an emergency.
Yeah.
Here's one going through traffic. Look at that. With its lights flashing. You see the way the cars moved out of the way? And this is an air ambulance.
Air ambulance.
It's taking off. Look at that. And look at this. It's now coming into land.
Yes.
It's going to pick up an injured person, looks like, and bring them to hospital. Quick.
Ambulance.
A is for antelope. Antelope.
That's an antelope.
Antelope.
Antelope is like a deer, a reindeer. Look at these. This is a herd of antelope. They're down by the watering hole. Look at these two. What are they doing? They're fighting. Right, and these are funny ones. Look at those long horns.
What are they called?
They're also called antelope.
Antelope. Antelope.
A is for acrobat. Acrobat.
Look at this. Ooh.
So what's up in the I'm back on the acrobat?
Back on the pole, yeah.
Back on,
And this lady is going round and round on a hoop, like a hula hoop.
it's like hula hoop.
That's another acrobat. And here's another guy, and he's on a trampoline. Look at that. What is it?
Trampoline. And he's jumping.
That's right, he's jumping.
He's doing a salsa on. Hey?